Hello friends, my name is Riya and I'm going to present you the story Too Many Bananas. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer called Shiva. He used to grow sweet and ripe bananas on his farm. Then Shiva called his wife, Radha, oh Radha. Then Radha came and asked, what happened? Shiva told that do you want some bananas? No, we already have a bunch of bananas. Then Shiva went to meet his friend and his friend said, what happened my friend? Shiva told that do you want some bananas? Then his friend replied that no, we already have a bunch of bananas. Then Shiva went to the trader and asked that do you want some sweet ripe bananas? Then the trader replied that no, your bananas are very sweet and ripe. And not even his cows want the bananas. Then he had an idea to seek help from a farmer center in Dholakpur, a big town near his village. Everyone became very curious. Where were all the bananas going? One day, Mr. Shiva's friend arranged a big puja and the Panditji came and asked him to get 108 ripe bananas for the puja. Then the friend went to Shiva's farm and said to him that I'm very sorry for saying no to you before, but now I need 108 ripe bananas. Can you please help me? Okay, but I do not have sweet ripe bananas now because I cut my crops, but I will manage it. You must start your puja. I will surely come with the bananas. Then the Panditji started the puja. Then Shiva came and got 12 packets of banana halwa because each and every packet contains 9 bananas. So, 12 into 9 equals to 108 bananas. Then everybody started laughing. Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Moral: think before you be rude to a person. I hope you enjoyed my story. Thank you.